Sony WH-CH17N Active Noise Cancellations unboxing. Let's start with the unboxing. When we open this package of any e-commerce site, we can get this kind of package. Oh my god, these are not comes with a bubble wrap. I think, yeah, it's like that. And this is the actual packaging of this Sony WH-CH17N Active Noise Cancelling Headphones, and it got this cover on the top, and it comes in this kind of packaging. And it's written Sony over here, and it also got NFC feature in these headphones. And let's take this oh my god, the seal is broken. I think it's because of the glue. And if this box has this kind of holographic label, we can understand that this is the original product, not a fake one. Let's open this box and check out what are the things that we can get inside this box. So first of all, opening the box, we have another box, that means box inside a box. And let's open this box also, and it also comes in this kind of cardboard box. And let's open this up. Here are the headphones. Yeah, these are really heavy. When I first pick up these headphones, they feel like very heavy, hefty, and oh my god, this looks very gorgeous. And yeah, this will comes with a red kind of I can feel the weight of these headphones. And these are some user manuals. Yeah, these headphones also got this type A to type C. Yeah, type C, that is a plus point. And this also comes with a 3.5 to micro 3.5 jack. And this is a user manual, and I really don't want to study this. Instead, I will go through the YouTube tutorials. That's more important and easy. And this is the actual look of these headphones. These are black color earphones. You can also get another version that is in blue color. And these are the buttons of these headphones. This comes with the 3 buttons at the left cup. These are the active noise cancellation button, and those are play and pause and volume up and down buttons. And this is the 3.5 type C and power on cable. And this also comes with a metal headband. Even though these headphones are totally made of plastic, the headbands, the extendable hands, are made out of high quality metal steel. And these head cups are also very cushioning of these head cups feels very softy. These headphones, first impression is, yeah, thumbs up for these headphones. And this, yeah, you can take a look this headphones. So these are the Sony's latest active noise cancelling headphones under 20,000 rupees. When I say active noise cancellation in these headphones, this is not a gimmick in these headphones. These headphones can actually cancel the noise when you are hearing the songs. And let me tell you about this headphones overview. First of all, these are made of high quality plastic. This doesn't feel cheaper. When you rub this surface like this, it feels very premium in plastic. Yes. And these bands, you can see here, these headbands, these extendable hand bands are made out of metal. And this head cushion is, I would say, okay, not that great, not that bad, it's okay. And when we talk about the folding, this can fold up to 180 degrees. You can fold them in inwards, not outwards like this. You can fold them in inwards like this. And these headphones have a lot of buttons in the both of these head cups. First of all, let's start with this left head cup. You can how to find these head cups are right and left. You can see this R logo here, that means right. This L logo, that means left. These headphones have a lot of features. Let me tell you those. You can see that this is the N logo, that means NFC. And this is a microphone, and this is for the aux cable. You can use it wireless or wired with the aux cable. And this is the type C port for charging. Yes, that's a plus point, I think, type C port. And this is the power button. When you push this power button for up to a little longer, 5 to 7 seconds, I don't know what the exact time because I didn't use it. And if you hold this button for up to a certain time, it will turn on, and this light blinks like this. And when you press this again, it will turns off like that. And these are the lot of buttons. When you push this button, it will increase the volume up and down. Lot of you guys think that these are also used to skip the next song and skip the right song. No, that's not. These are just for volumes, and if you want to go to the next song, you have to press this button double times. And when you push this button triple, then it's 3 times, it comes to the previous track or song. And when you push this on, it will pause and plays the song. This is the major button of our entire headphones. This is the active noise cancellation button and ambient mode button. I will make a dedicated sound test comparison video with these headphones. This is just first impressions video. When I lift these headphones, these feel like very heavy, hectic. That means these headphones have a lot of gadgets inside this. And the battery life, when I say battery life, the company says that these headphones will works up to 35 hours with the active noise cancellation on when you charge these headphones from 0 to 100. So, and it will also gives you 1 hour of battery backup when you charge these headphones until just 10 minutes. And the final first impression verdict is this question is also feels like below premium. I would say medium range, not that great, not that bad. And this have the 30mm drivers. And when I say the vocals and punchy bass, I wouldn't say the vocals and punchy bass are not that great and not that bad. So these have the bass, which you cannot disappoint with these headphones bass. I won't saying that these headphones are not bad in the bass. These are good. But so the first impression is, yeah, every penny of your money is worth it. So if you are looking to buy a active noise cancellation headphone under 10,000 rupees, so these are the best. Don't go with any other brand or any other headphones. So these are completely made out of plastic, but they don't feel cheaper. This is a Sony brand, and yeah, these are pretty much all that you can get this headphones. And this is up for the first impression and unboxing of these headphones. I will definitely make a review of these headphones after using it up to 4 to 5 days and with the audio samples in a different way. So that's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel will be amazing.